how to create a public profile on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you're at least 18 years old. Your Snapchat account is more than 24 hours old, you have at least one mutual friend, and your account follows Snapchat's community guidelines. Now, open the Snapchat app and sign into your account. Next, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Tap your public profile section and tap the down arrow to create public profile. Then tap plus icon to add public profile. Then fill up required information and in the public profile type, select professional creator. Tap continue, then tap get started. Once your public profile is created, you can tap edit profile to add a profile picture, write a bio, and customize your public profile. That's it. Your Snapchat public profile is now ready, and other users can discover your public content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Snapchat and Android how-to tutorials.